Welcome, everybody. I'm ready to reach new heights tonight. Here to scrutinize my every move, from Chopped, Amanda Freitag, and from Cutthroat Kitchen, Simon Majumdar.
Let's do this. Let's get a win today.
Have you guys teamed up here before?
No.
No, we have not.
We're very excited to be here together. You know, crushing your dreams.
Amanda likes to come here and give me a little smack every once in a while. Pap.
My favorite thing to do.
Simon,
Sir,
I would think of you as toughest food judge out there.
Oh, yes.
bad food makes me cross. Even as a kid, I used to judge my mother.
Wow.
That's right, you're dust.
Let's meet your gladiators.
This young lady has a resume that trumps chefs twice her age. Please welcome Danielle Duran. Bobby!
Our next contender is bringing his southern pride to take down the king of New York City. Say hello to Ian Boden.
What's up, y'all?
Welcome. What's your goal today?
To beat you.
As you know, you first must go through each other. I'm gonna give you guys 20 minutes to make an ingredient of my choice, the star of your dish. And that ingredient is heirloom carrots.
Carrots are my favorite ingredient. They have a sweetness and vibrance of color.
The hardest part is deciding what I want to do with them because there's a lot of possibilities.
It's these guys behind me. They'll decide which one of you goes up against me in round 2. Make these carrots delicious. Ready? Go.
My strategy is to use the entirety of the carrot. I'm making a roasted heirloom carrot with curry spiced yogurt and carrot top pesto.
I'm making roasted heirloom carrots with sorghum, fish sauce, gastrique, toasted pecans, and cilantro.
Ian's making a sauce with a lot of vinegar, a bit of sorghum, and the sweetness will have brought it down a little bit.
Brings it down. Danielle's gonna have pesto with mint, tangerine juice, yogurt, and curry.
She's just raided the pantry.
Minute 48 seconds left.
I put the curry yogurt down first, and then the carrot.
So at first I put my sorghum gastrique down, and I put the carrots on top of that.
30 seconds.
Come on, guys.
All right. Next, I top with the carrot top pesto.
10,
The last minute I garnish it with cilantro and then toasted pecans.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Samantha and I are here to pick which one of you we think can beat Bobby Flay.
Danielle, tell us what you made.
I made roasted heirloom carrots with a curry spiced yogurt and a carrot top pesto.
Your carrots are absolutely cooked perfectly. The pesto I was worried about because it was tasting very grassy. It actually works very well. That addition of mint works perfectly. But the yogurt's a disaster. You've got far too much curry in there, and it's a little rawness to that curry. You needed to toast that through.
I agree with Simon. You had so many other great flavors that I love. Plain yogurt would have given us a cleaner palate. When you're putting together a lot of flavor on that plate, make sure there's a reason.
Okay.
I really like the way the carrots are cooked, though. Ian, tell us what you made.
So I did roasted heirloom carrots with sorghum and fish sauce gastrique and a little bit of toasted pecans.
You really kind of respected the ingredient, and I think that's very important. Some of the carrots, a little hard to cut through. But the ones that are smaller, those are cooked perfectly.
I like the sorghum glaze. It's just sitting underneath the carrots. And what I'm wishing for is that that was all over the carrot. Same with the pecans. If you had even glazed them, that would have been fantastic.
Danielle had a lot on her plate, but the judges didn't like all of it. Ian went very simple, but didn't really execute very well.
The chef that will move forward to beat Bobby Flay is Chef Danielle.
I'm proud of what I've done. But I'll go back to Virginia with my head held high.
You use so much curry powder in that yogurt, my Indian ancestors are wincing. But what you showed us is that you can really execute the main ingredient.
Stay laser focused, because we need you to beat Bobby.
Okay.
Danielle, I loved what you did in round 1. Are you confident about round 2?
I feel good.
Now you know what you're cooking, right?
Exactly.
Is it inked on your arm somewhere?
Yeah, it's on my back.
Okay, see, that's good to know. All right, what's your signature dish?
My signature dish is veal piccata.
A classic, but a good one. I love veal piccata.
Me too.
Give me some rules, I'm ready.
We've called in 3 culinary experts who are standing by to do a blind taste test.
You both have 45 minutes, and your time starts now.
Come on, Danielle!
My pan sauce from my veal. It's very good flavor, but I just want a little bit more richness, so I'm just gonna add some more butter. It's gonna coat everything.
Minute 48 seconds left, guys.
I love fried capers. They have the unique texture when they're fried, so I want it to be my crunch element.
I had the veal on the plate, and I put the pasta next to the veal. I put the sauce over the veal. I just have to top it off with the fried parsley. I just need to remember where I put it first.
Hey, no helping over there.
You hid my parsley?
No helping over there. Oh, boil.
Thank you.
I begin to plate. I have my creme fraiche mashed potato. I then put my artichoke. I put my veal. I top it with the sauce. I garnish it with the crispy capers.
6.
I just add a little Calabrian chili oil on top just to kind of cut the richness.
2,
It's chili.
1.
There's chili. Congratulations, chefs. Now it's time to meet your judges.
The chef owner of Llama Inn, Eric Ramirez. The chef owner of The Spotted Pig, April Bloomfield. And the chef owner of Little Owl, Joey Campanaro. The dish today was veal piccata. Please start with the dish in front of you.
I like how it's been stuffed with the cheese. That's kind of like a nice little surprise halfway through. But I thought the artichoke was a bit fibrous.
If it were me, I would have left the artichoke off the plate. But I did love the sauce. And the mashed potatoes are some of the best mashed potatoes I've ever had.
For the ingredients used, it was actually pretty delicate in flavor, nicely balanced. I really liked the fried capers, and I thought the stuffing in the artichoke was delicious, but I thought the veal was a little dry.
All right, judges, if I could ask you to please switch your plates.
The sauce is a perfect balance of fruit and acid. That heat wants me to come back for more, but the pasta, the noodles are doughy, then it gets to be too heavy.
I loved the great crispy texture on the veal, but there's too much cheese on the pasta.
Yeah, I thought it was a little too cheesy, and I would have liked the noodles to have a little more bite, but I really liked the way the veal was crispy, but not too tough.
There can only be one winner, so now it's time to take a vote.
The judges liked both of our dishes. Our supporting cast, not so much. They didn't love our artichokes, and they thought my pasta was a little doughy. So it's up in the air.
The judges have voted, and the winner is... Bobby Flay.